Hi everyone, my name is Matt Harrison. Welcome to my course, Core Python, the Numeric Tower Conversion and Operators. I'm a Python and data science author, corporate trainer, and consultant at Metasnake. I've been using Python since the year 2000, and I'm excited to drop some Python knowledge bombs. Python is probably the most popular language at the moment. This course is a quick introduction to numbers, theory behind floating points, and implementing your own objects that respond to math operations in Python. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the idea of a numeric tower, Python's implementation of the numeric tower, additional numeric types that are included in the standard library, and developing objects that support math operations. By the end of this course, you'll know how Python works behind the scenes to support math. You'll also have an intuition of when to use floating point numbers and when to use decimals. I hope that you'll join me on this journey to dive into Python's numeric types with the Core Python, the Numeric Tower Conversion and Operators course at Pluralsight.